Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button. If you find any kind of value, make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day on a daily basis. And make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any. Let's keep it simple, short, and regular file as possible as always. So as you can see right here, we have Tezos or Xtz with the USDT or the Tether token, and basically Tezos at the moment is sitting at a price of around $2.64 US. We are up 2.5 cents, or approximately 0.71%. So yeah, you see right here it is fluctuating a lot in the top left corner. So yeah, just watch that throughout the video. I mean, it cannot make that sense, but yeah, this side looks like on a daily time frame. Of course, we had a we are up today, and of course we're going to be having a bullish angle, because in these cryptocurrencies we don't see a gap, because it is up, like crypto market is up 24/7, not like the stock market or something like that. So yeah, overall we for the past 3 days with today we have been up like 0.15 cents, then that's like 3.75 cents, 3.77, and with this now like somewhere around above 4 something like cents. But yeah, percent, excuse me. But yeah, we're overall in a downtrend. If you just click this MA 200 or a moving average, we are just below that, so that tells us that we are in the downtrend overall on the 4-hour time frame. So that tells us that we are in a downtrend, and whenever we're making lower lows and lower highs, that will be another indicator if you use naked charts for that. But if we scale out to the lower time frames, we can see that we are in some kind of a bullish like in a uptrend, because we made a high, we took from all of these highs right here, lower highs, we took all of these lower highs, we made a high, lower, higher low, higher high, higher low, and at this point we don't want to surpass this level right here if you want to continue the uptrend. But guys, we will see what will be happening, and I'm not really concerned what will be happening, because this is on the lower time frame, and for those who are day trading crypto or something like that, it is always up to you guys. But I mean this for the long run, okay? I mean this for the long run. And where I think that we're going to be heading is somewhere around this area right here, and just push straight back to the upside. So what we got is something like this. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Nobody will care about that. But yeah, I think something like this will be happening, and we will see tomorrow if I'm right or if I'm wrong. We never know, okay? So yeah, this is basically about Tezos. Tezos is a perfect coin to own. Make sure you do all due diligence. Watch all the other videos on YouTube. Go see what they do, what's the project all about, and all the good stuff, because this is only an update and a technical analysis. I can just talk about this video, like keep it like 80 minutes, but this is just a brief update, like 2+. This is the 3-minute video, because I'm explaining why is this video like that and every other. And I also have videos that they tell you that they're more like 10+ minutes that'll tell you how to make money on the YouTube, on YouTube, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, all the good stuff, how to make money online. And yeah, this is it guys. Let me know what are your thoughts, and I will see you guys soon. Peace out.